This video is for informational and educational purposes only and does not constitute legal advice. All individuals mentioned are presumed innocent until proven guilty. The analysis reflects legal commentary based on publicly available information at the time of the publication. The case that could unravel everything. What we are witnessing in the Senzo Meyiwa trial is no longer just a search for the truth. It's something far more complex and more dangerous. As the defense could unfold, the trial is exposing not just the accused, but the system itself. The 5 accused and what their past reveal. Muzi Sibiya linked to attempted murder cases, drugs, and alleged ammunition. Bongani Ntanzi, the only accused with no criminal record. Mthobisi Mncube, serving over 30 years for murder linked to the same firearm. Mthokozisi Maphisa, serving 30 years for another murder. Sifisokuhle Ntuli, raising claims of torture, coercion, particularly through Sibiya. A trial within a trial. The case is now about 2 things: who committed the murder and whether the investigation can be trusted. The problem with the investigation, conflicting evidence, procedural flaws, and inconsistent create doubt, reasonable doubt. The defense does not need to prove innocent, only to create doubt. How this case could end. The outcome depends on whether the court trusts the evidence or the questioning the process. Final reflection. The trial is about more than one guilt. It's about whether justice system functions properly. Closing. The truth is not the only thing on this trial. The system itself, 6 life sentences plus 39 years linked to multiple killings. The state's strongest evidence. The states rely heavily on ballistic evidence and alleged murder weapon connected to Mncube. That is a strong evidence, but only if the investigation behind it holds. The confession that collapsed the case. Ntanzi's confession once tied everything together, but it was ruled inadmissible. That decision removed the state's strongest narrative. Criminal records, strength or weaknesses. While the accused have violent histories, the defense can argue that they were targeted because of those historic rather than proven involvement. Defense strategy. The defense focuses on attacking the investigation. That concludes our analysis. Thank you for watching the sim. If you found this breakdown useful, consider subscribing for clear, factual legal analysis. Until next time, stay informed.